Welcome to the year 2077, a world where the boundless imagination of the past meets the breathtaking reality of the future. In this visionary landscape, humanity has harnessed the power of technological innovation to create a utopian society that is both awe-inspiring and deeply transformative. Cities of 2077 stand as testaments to architectural ingenuity. With soaring skyscrapers that seem to defy gravity, these futuristic metropolises are a seamless fusion of nature and technology, boasting vertical gardens and cascading waterfalls that purify the air and create an urban oasis. Sustainable living has become the cornerstone of urban planning, with green spaces and renewable energy sources powering the cityscape. Transportation has evolved to a new level of efficiency and convenience. Maglev trains glide noiselessly above the ground, connecting distant cities at unprecedented speeds. Personal transport is revolutionized with sleek and self-driving electric vehicles, significantly reducing carbon emissions and traffic congestion. In 2077, education has transcended traditional boundaries as virtual reality classrooms offer immersive and interactive learning experiences. Students explore historical events, scientific concepts, and artistic masterpieces with lifelike simulations, fostering a deeper understanding of the world. Lifelong learning is embraced, empowering individuals to evolve and adapt in this rapidly advancing era. Medical advancements have reached remarkable heights. Nanotechnology enables personalized and precise treatments, while robotic surgical systems revolutionize healthcare procedures. The eradication of diseases that once plagued humanity is now within reach, promising a world of enhanced well-being and prolonged lifespans. The interconnectedness of the 2077 world is epitomized by the global mind, a vast network of shared knowledge and experiences. The global mind enables instantaneous communication across continents and languages, fostering a sense of unity and collaboration that transcends geographical boundaries. As we look to the stars, the spirit of exploration has taken humanity beyond the confines of Earth. Space colonization is no longer a distant dream as advanced spacecraft venture to neighboring planets and moons, laying the groundwork for interplanetary civilizations. Despite these remarkable advancements, the world of 2077 is not without challenges. Ethical considerations and responsible governance are essential to navigate the ethical implications of advanced technologies. Striking a balance between progress and preservation of human values remains at the core of society's decision-making. As we embrace the year 2077, we are reminded that the future is a reflection of the collective choices we make today. With responsible innovation and a shared commitment to betterment, the future world of 2077 is a testament to human potential, where the boundaries of possibility are endlessly pushed, and the tapestry of human existence is woven with compassion, unity, and boundless imagination. That's a wrap on this next-level world adventure. We hope you had as much fun watching as we did creating it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our future explorations. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and we can't wait to bring you along on our next thrilling escapade. Until then, stay curious, keep reaching for the stars, and let's continue taking it to the next level together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next level video.